Hey everyone, welcome to Imra Zone. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple and practical ways to save money, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial habits. Saving money is the foundation of financial freedom. And with these tips, you can start building your future today. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Track your spending. The first step to saving money is understanding where it's going. If you're not already tracking your expenses, now's the time to start. You can use apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal is to spot unnecessary spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Tip 2. Automate your savings. Automation is a game changer when it comes to saving. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month, right after you get paid. You won't even miss the money. And before you know it, you'll have built up a solid savings cushion. Even starting with small amounts like $50 or $100 can add up over time. Tip 3. Cut back on small, unnecessary expenses. We all have those little expenses that add up over time, whether it's your daily coffee, takeout meals, or subscription services. If you cut back on just one of these things, you could save hundreds or even thousands a year. Try replacing your daily coffee with making it at home, or cancel a subscription you rarely use. Tip 4. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is like a roadmap for your finances. Without it, you might end up lost. Start by listing your income and monthly expenses, then set limits for each category. It's all about finding balance, ensuring you save enough while still enjoying life. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Tip 5. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund can save you from financial stress. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. It may seem like a lot, but you can start small. Just make it a goal to add a little each month. And over time, you'll reach your target. Conclusion. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With these 5 simple tips, you can start building your financial future today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Imra Zone for more finance tips and insights. Drop a comment below with your best money saving tip, and I'll see you in the next video.